What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Raw Nation back with a brand new video. Before we get straight to this video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification on. You be notified when I drop another video for you guys, man. I love y'all so much, man. You've been supporting me since day one, and I'm definitely coming with some heat. Right now in New York, it's mad chilly. The weather's kind of wonky over here. I don't know what is going on. For these past 2 days, it was like literally like 72 degrees. Matter of fact, I'm capped right now. It was like literally 74 degrees for these past days. Yesterday and Thursday. For the whole entire week, you probably wear a jacket and some sweaters, but we ain't going to get into the weather in New York. You feel me? Um, if y'all know me, we'll come to shoes. I did a video how to lace G Phasals, and I haven't did an unboxing for you guys and on feet. So we're gonna do that today, and we're gonna do the lacing today. You feel me? We're definitely gonna do all in one. Bear with me. You feel me? Yeah, let's get straight to this video right now. You feel me? We got the plain Nike box right here. You see it? Nothing too crazy. And my size right here, 9.5. You feel me? And the shoe is pretty decent. It's literally all white. Pretty all white. Plain piece of paper, Air Force One. In New York, we call them G Phasals. Actually, G Herbals say G Phasals, but I kept saying this since then. So, clean right here. Extra clean. You feel me? All white. And I haven't worn them yet. Actually, I'm capping. I did worn them. I did like on feet for you guys, man. But that video is going to take later on this month. I have footage already. I just got to edit it. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. So, boom. I'm going to take one shoe out. You feel me? You can't really see I did more. Yeah, you can see it. Not too crazy. So, we're going to put that one there. I'm going to take them out. Bang. So, we're going to do one shoe. One shoe. So, we basically going to do the right today. We ain't going to do the left. The left is pretty decent. We just definitely going to do the right. You feel me? So, we're going to do that right now, you dig? So, we're going to have this one relaxing somewhere. Y'all not going to see it. I might just bring the camera down if I can see me. I think that's good like that. So, bang. We're going to take them out. Replica, left, right. Right, left. We're doing the right side, not the left. You did. So, boom. We're going to unloose the laces. I think I did the whole tire laces, but we're going to probably do like basically the same thing. Because I be seeing other YouTubers doing this, you feel me? Like I said, I'm going to put my own sauce to it. Because, like, y'all like the way I lay shoes, though. So, we're going to do that. Oh, yeah. Matter of fact, smash that like button right now. You feel me? Since you're watching me. And you loving the kid. You loving the videos for the kid, though. Ain't going to lie. See? I'm going to take all the way out. But we're going to do it like this, though. Oh, it's not bright. Hope y'all can see it. It's two. Alright, bet, boom. You see the laces? We can do like that. Last time I took every single one out. We ain't going to do it. We're going to do just like this, though. So, you feel me? So, we're going to put them back in. Regular. Simple. Boom. Then later on, we're going to loose them. But we're going to do it my way. You feel me? And it's kind of crazy. I want to get another pair of these, but with the rope leases, because I seen it on Instagram lately and it looks pretty fire. I'm like, I haven't seen no one in New York had G Phaser with rope leases. It's basically like customized. And stop. So we're gonna take over from here. So we gotta fix these bad boys right here. Put them back in. Later on, we're gonna loosen them. It's gonna be the easiest part right there. I gotta show you. So I'm gonna put it right there. Fix the laces. But this is the part that you want to think. Do you want to put it between the little hole or skip them? For me, when it comes to these type of shoes, I go through the hole because like the time you do this, you want to have more room and more ability to basically like your shoelaces ain't gonna be flapping like crazy. That's how I see it. You feel me? So we're gonna put it through the hole. For a minute. That boy struggling. So we definitely got it. Now we're going through the hole. Right here. So fix it. There we go. Going through another hole right here. Yeah. Another right there. Simple. If you see a shoelace like this, something like this though, the only thing you gotta do is this. Twist. Keep twisting. And you'll be fine. Then later on, you go crazy with it. We got 3 more holes left. We're gonna bang them out. 1, 2. Another one. Like this. It's like the way people lace shoes though. You know. They get it from the store. They ain't gonna lace it for you. They gonna put like in a double knot and call it a day. But for me, when I get the shoe, I say, you know what? I'm gonna lace one going home. It'll be much easier because you don't like the way they tie the shoes. They just there to give you services like, oh, what you want from Foot Locker or Chance or Snips or whatever, or the Nike factory or the outlet, and you just there for that one type of shoe, you'd be fine. All right, so this is the part. Y'all can see it. This is the part we gonna lace them right now. 4 fingers. Every single one of them. Y'all can see it. But people do like this though. For me, I'm like this. That's mad easy. You want to make sure you have the laces even. You see it's even right here? Can be up to here. Can't. It gotta be up to here. It's like literally the same thing, but the right one is like heading to the ground. So we're gonna unloosen like this. Bring one of your laces down. Same thing. We want to spread them out. Spread them out. And voila. Like that. That's how you lace your G Phasals by your boy Ron Nation. Now we're about to do the on feet. Not easy to slip on. The right one is more looser than the left one. Yeah, the right one's pretty tight. So you can definitely do this. Another method, use your thumbs, 5 fingers, holding in. Crunch them out. This one's pretty good, so we're gonna do the same thing on that side. That's how you do it on feet. Pretty calm. Not even gonna lie. And yeah. So calm. Get yourself a pair. I hope you guys like this video. You feel me? If you came to the end, thank you, and hit that subscribe button, you feel me? And that helps me a lot. And let me know what type of videos you want me to do next. I'm definitely for more videos. I see y'all. Love y'all next video. No cap.